Hello again. So this is like a virtual demonstration of what they're asking you to do with some paper at home. So according to the instructions on the slide in the Pear Deck activity, it tells you to trace a circle onto a piece of paper 2 times so that you have two of the exact same circle. Then it tells you to cut out one of them and fold it so that you have the parts nice and even and cut it into fourths. So that's kind of demonstrated here with these 4 different colors. And then they want you to rearrange the pieces. So when I slide this slider, you'll see that I am separating those fourths. And then when I slide this slider, you'll see that I'm sliding them back together to make a new shape out of those pieces. It also says if your circle is big enough to try, actually, let me go back to a full circle, to try cutting them even more than fourths, try eighths or sixteenths. So here's what it might look like with 8. Slide them apart, shift them down and back. We'll try sixteenths here. Slide them apart and shift them down. You also, by the way, don't have to go back to the beginning every time. You can slide this slider and it'll show the different shapes. I'm only going, whoops, I was just gonna say I'm only going up to 16 and then I got a little excited and went even farther, but you can see this bar goes even farther. So if you want to play around with this a little bit on your own, when you go to the student resource document, right here, it says watch this demo for the in-person students. You can click that demo link and it'll take you to this page here so that you can play around with this yourself a little bit more. I did not find a reset button though, so every time I want to go back to a circle, I have to like slide this back and slide this back. Usually they have like the reset up in the corner. It didn't have that, but whatever the case, have fun kind of playing around with it a little bit, and then you'll come back to here and you can try it out on your own. And if you get into it and you want to try, you can, and you have enough paper, you can try as many circles as you want. But it is important to make sure that you leave one circle whole, because on this slide, it asks you about how the areas of the two shapes compare, and they mean one of those two shapes is still supposed to be a circle. Also, notice on this slide, it says glue the remaining circle and the new shape onto a piece of paper. You don't have to do that because this is to like make a display that we would hang in the classroom. You're welcome to do that if you want to, or make a display for your house, but that's not something that I'm going to be like collecting from you or grading you on or anything like that. Also, if you go all the way up to slide 7, you'll see there's some pictures from the demo that is right here, the GeoGebra demo. Okay, I hope that's clear.